Something may have gone wrong.
Yep, I believe it.
So, can you get me down? My couple is Sid leader whistle. It lets people know who's in charge.
Weird. It sounded like laughter.
Probably just the wind.
Inside the vehicle. Let's go. The sooner you get in line, the sooner we can find the kids. Welcome to Campo de Sid.
একটু ঘুরবে কেন ঘুরবে এটা ফিরে মনে হচ্ছে না এদিকে যাবে মনে হয় ইটস আইস বুতান চশমা কি খোলা উচিত পিছন দিকে যাবে
Kids! Fresh tracks! Looks like they went into this ice cabin.
Great, follow me.
ছবি তুলছে আমরা পড়বে
This is a dead end. We have to turn back.
Nobody knows. We're on dangerously
Thin ice.
Welcome to Geotopia. Open your chakras to the healing house of the Shangri-La.
little help here. I got a crystal poking me in the chakra.
Greetings! Bring me your tortured souls that you may be infused with the positive energy of the crystals.
You could sure use some positive energy.
No, don't touch that, you nincompoop.
I'll just give it a gentle pull. There we go. Oops.
Oops! It ruined everything! Again!
Kids! We're here to save you. Try not to panic.
One sloth did all this?
Destruction is his specialty. Let's just get the kids and go.
I'll save us.
Jake, I didn't do that. No, you saw it.
Come along. Oh, great.
Very, very hot. This is how it's all been.
We're almost to the ocean. Okay, looks like we all made it.
Yeah, we rescued. Now who's gonna rescue us?
Hey, did somebody call for a rescue?
Sebastian is good.
I'm okay.
Kids, this is no time